What's up guys, PizzlesTechTime, back again with another quick video. And today we've got the Petcube Bites. And we're going to unbox it, set it up, and you're going to see my cat catch some treats. So stick around till the end of the video and you'll see it. Alright guys, see ya.
Yo, you got the juice now, man.
Alright guys, so this camera right here is around $200. I picked this up at Lowe's. It was on sale for $179. It's got some pretty cool features. It's a 1080p HD cam. It has two-way audio so you can hear and speak to your animal or any intruder or anything like that. You can play fetch with the treats, which is pretty much the appeal of this. It's a very large device. Get motion and sound alerts, so that's where this comes in as a regular Wi-Fi camera. I know a lot of you guys want home security right now, and this is a good option for that because it works just like any other Wi-Fi camera, but you can also have a little bit of fun with it. So I think that's a really cool feature. We'll have to see what their cloud program entails. I already have one Wi-Fi camera and they want me to pay for their cloud program. We'll see if this one is a pay. Well, we're going to get right into it and let's do an unboxing, guys, shall we? Okay. So I've got the box right here, and pretty much all you need to do is open it like this, slide it right here, and you can toss this to the side right here. This has just some of the information. It's just the front box right there. I know you've already seen it. Cute little kitty right there. All right. And this is the box right here. Install the Petcube app on a smartphone. Register your account of course. So you're going to be paying for something here. Connect your Petcube Bites. Start recording. Okay. Let's see here. Close container link. Okay. So let's see what's in here, shall we? Shall we? Okay. Okay. Almost like a little laptop. Ooh. Oh my god. Yeah, like I said, guys, this thing is huge. 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 Okay, so we've got a little accessory tin right here. We've got a cord. And we've got the power brick. Not that big. And we've got some hardware in order to mount it to the wall if you want. Nothing else in the bottom of the box here. That's it. Okay. Close that up. Now you get to the camera. This thing is literally humongous. My god. I don't know. It's kind of an eyesore, but oh my god. Pull first, then peel later. How about no? Okay, guys. So that's the Wi-Fi cam. Has kind of a transparent thing there on the top, and looks a little dusty there, but very big camera. As you can see, it's as big as my torso. And the subscribe button. With YouTube being the way it is right now, you have to subscribe to my channel. You must support my channel. Please do. Okay. So we're gonna open this up. I don't know exactly what is going on there, but okay, so we'll grab the treats in there. We do have to figure out why this isn't opening, because it should be opening. Okay. Just a little bit difficult to open. Okay, so we will show you the top there. There's a little motor to spin the treats, and they get thrown out the front there, and they go whoop, come out the front. Camera's right there. Unfortunately, it does not seem like it will pan or tilt, but that'll probably be next year's model. And there is a sensor right there, really nifty. This thing's a pretty cool invention, guys, I must say. And it does charge USB-C. That's awesome. That's pretty much it. Let's see what else we got. Mounting guide. We got some mounting guide stuff in here. We've got a reset pin. Okay. And that's about it. So, start guide. Or bang. What does this thing say? Consider placing Petcube in a location that allows maximum coverage through the camera's 138-degree wide-angle lens. It's always a good idea to point Petcube Bites in the direction where your pets tend to spend most of their time. Okay. So basically we're just going to plug this bitch in. It's pretty much all that it takes to set this up is to just plug it in and put it in a good location. Come here, my furry friend. Okay. These are the treats I use for my furry friend Camilla. Sit. Paw. Paw. Good girl. Good girl. Camilla. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Good girl. Okay, these are the treats that I use for Camilla. They are Temptations. Sometimes I get her the hairball ones to help with her hairballs, but these are fine. So let's pour some treats in here. These are probably going to use the whole thing. Okay, so now we're in this screen right here, and it says when you see the green notification, press next. So we're going to do that. And now it says select your device. To identify your device, tap select. Okay. Now it says registering device, blah, 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 blah. Wi-Fi, network name. Okay, we're going to connect to my Wi-Fi. It's almost set up now. Blah, 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 blah. It could take up to a minute. Okay, it's setting up. And the notification light is changing colors. Okay, it says you're almost set up. Please wait while it connects. It could take up to a minute. Done. It says it's updating. Your firmware needs an update. It could take 15 minutes. So it looks like you can go on other people's cameras. You can look at other people's Petcube cameras. Kinda creepy. Kinda creepy. Little bit creepy, but kind of cool. Okay, so there is a subscription here. There's a subscription for everything. So what does it say? 10-day history, free trial. Huh. Of course. Oh, this is bullshit. 3-day video history is $4.99 a month. 10-day video history is $9.99 a month. 30-day video history $24.99. Switch to a yearly plan. So it can be up to only $30 for the cheapest one. So it can be $30 for the cheapest one. And then it goes up from there. $99 for the next one. And $249 for a 10-day plan. That's super expensive. That's crazy. And then monthly, you can pay for it monthly instead of yearly. This is crazy. All these cloud things are nuts. I don't know why they expect people to pay just to store videos on a cloud. I understand that these things cost money, but it's nuts. I don't know how they expect people to have multiple cameras. I got a camera in there and a camera in here. So if you have multiple cameras, you're going to have to pay for a subscription for this and a subscription for that. And I don't know how you can afford that because subscriptions nowadays are insane. You've got one for YouTube, one for Netflix, one for Amazon. So if you want subscriptions, if you want the ease of access to these things, you have to pay for them. And they're not cheap. So it's another reason that I need you guys to subscribe to my channel. I spend money buying this stuff. And I'm trying to make my videos better. I just bought this camera that I'm shooting this video on. I just bought this monitor, speakers, and computer. All this stuff costs money. And I am trying to make my videos better for you guys so you guys can see these products and watch my videos. And I love making videos. It's great. And I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and see the videos as soon as I post them. And I really need to grow my channel, so you'll be helping yourself and you'll help me. So I'd really appreciate that, guys. Thanks a lot. So this is just updating. I'll see you in a sec when it's all done. So this is really cool. It shows the treats right here, and you flip it up. So apparently it doesn't work that well. Okay. Ready? There we go. Gave one. Cool. So this is really cool. It shows the treats right here, and you flip it up. Whee! Oh, she's enjoying it. It's just giving out more than I'd like. I'd like to give it out 1 or 2 treats, but it's giving out like 5. Ready? There we go. Gave 1. Cool. Yeah. Happy? Huh? Happy? Treat heaven? Okay, let's see what Brittany thinks of it.
Hey guys,
It's Brittany.
I'm the future Mrs. PizzlesTechTime.
Okay, this is the treat thing.
Awesome.
And you got to fling it, and then they come out, so back up.
It's like fireworks.
What do you think?
Cool.
Brittany might be a star. She might just be a star. We've got 2 stars of today's video, so this video took a lot of production to make, guys. We've got 2 cameras going at once. We've got a live action cat. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. So, guys, I mean, if you don't subscribe after watching this, I mean, you'd have to be nuts. All right, guys. So that was the unboxing and the setup of the Petcube Bites. The Petcube Bites, it doesn't exactly bite. It's a pretty cool device. I do wish, I think they might want you to use treats a little bigger than this. But when you're using it for a cat, I mean, these are kind of what people feed their cats for treats. I will look into getting some bigger treats. And maybe I can follow up in the comment section. You guys let me know what you think about this little gadget here. It's very large. The pictures, you can take pictures, you can share it, you can record. So it's a pretty nifty little device. I think I might just use it to feed my cat while I'm away. I'm not sure if I'm going to pay for that cloud recording or anything. But I would love to hear your feedback if you like it, or if you have one, or if you're thinking about getting one, let me know. Okay, remember guys, smack that like button if you like this video, and remember to subscribe because I'll be putting content out weekly now. And most of the time I get out two videos a week. I'm really grinding hard out here on YouTube, so hit that subscribe button. And remember, you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime, and I'll holler at y'all later.